Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo Reno 14 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can record all the calls without any announcement or any alert. Open your dialer, click on agree and continue, click on these three dots and then select settings, select call recording and then enable record all calls. Now it will record all your calls without any alert. You can use circle to search feature to search anything while scrolling your social media application. For example, if you see any of your favorite influencer using any product and if you want to search it on the Google, then tap and hold in the middle bottom like this. Then it will enable the circle to search. Then circle the object or product you want to search, then it will directly search on the Google for you. There's another way to use this circle to search feature. If you are seeing anything in front of you, then open your camera application, point it towards the object you want to search and then enable this circle to search. Then circle the object you want to search, then it will directly search on the Google for you. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the corner to open any of these applications. There is a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more and then select icon pull down gestures. Enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side. Then it will drag all your application around your thumb, then simply open the application. If you are in hurry and you quickly want to charge your smartphone, then you can use the next feature. Open your settings, select battery, select charging settings and then enable this smart rapid charging. This will speed up your charging, but keep in mind this will also warm your phone a little bit, and if you will use this feature very frequently, then it may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery. You can remove any object or any person from any of the images. You can also remove shadows and reflections. Open the camera application, select the image you want to edit and then select edit and then select AI editor. Here you can use AI eraser to remove any object or person. You can use unblur to unblur your images, and you can use this remove reflections to remove the reflection from your images. But firstly, you have to connect your phone with the internet to use any of these features. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. Tap and hold on your home screen and then select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock, scroll down and also enable this double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can open your favorite application from your locked screen. But firstly, you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gesture and motions. Select screen of gestures. Here you can enable this draw an O to open camera. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an O, then it will directly open your camera application. You can use this draw a V to turn torch on or off. Click on this and then whenever phone is locked, if you will draw a V, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. Now if you want to set your favorite application to any of these letters or these symbols, then select this, select open an app and select your favorite application or most usable application. And now this, whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw a W, then it will directly open that application. If you long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. There is a feature called quick launch. You can customize this. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, scroll down and then select quick launch. Firstly, enable this and then select edit, but it only works if you're using a fingerprint lock in your smartphone. Now select your favorite or most usable applications from here. It has all the application and functions as well. And after this, click on done. And now whenever your phone is locked, if you will place your thumb or finger, whatever you're using, on the sensor like this and then tap and hold it on it, then it will open this quick launch. And from here you can select the app you want to open, then it will open it for you. So you can use this to open your favorite application directly from your fingerprint sensor in this smartphone. If you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use the next three features. Click on settings, scroll down, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on the eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this. It will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. The third one is in the wallpaper and styles. Open this, scroll down and then select font. From here you can increase or decrease the size of the fonts and then click on apply. So if you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use these three features. You can increase the quality of the audio on your voice calls. Open your settings, select sound and vibration, again scroll down and then select clear voice. Enable this. It will filter out all the background noise on your voice call and give you a crystal clear audio. You can also change the control panel of the smartphone. If you want to select a different one, then open your control panel and then click on these three dots, select customize quick settings and then select split. Now it will enable the new control panel. You have to swipe from the right side to open your control panel and swipe from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this. If you are not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your home screen, then tap and hold on your home screen, select more, select home screen and then select standard. Click on apply and then select switch. It will take few seconds and then disable that app drawer and bring all your application on your home screen. If you're using this 3-button navigation and if you want to change the order of this, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down, select system and update, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these 3 buttons and you can also select gestures. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. There is a hidden feature to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. Open your camera application, click on these 3 lines, select settings, scroll down and then enable quick launch. Select settings, select camera and then enable this. Again open your camera application, go to the same settings and again enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will double press any of the volume button, then it will directly open your camera application. You can press the volume up button or volume down button. You can also control your phone without even touching it. So you can scroll your reels or YouTube shorts without even touching your smartphone. To enable this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gestures and motion and then select air gestures. Select air scroll and from here you can learn how it actually works. Select on learn gestures and now show your palm like this. Now you can scroll down like this without even touching your smartphone and you can scroll up like this. So you can use this to scroll your Instagram reels or YouTube shorts. In the same gestures and motion setting, you will see a feature called turn torch on or off with volume button. Enable this and now whenever your phone is locked, if you will long press your volume down button, then it will turn on the flashlight and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Oppo Reno 14 smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.